attention of netizens because of its unique vehicle. This is a jeepsicle, a jeepney-themed tricycle. It was created by Eric Mahinay's group in Laguna in 2019. According to Eric, the jeepsicles were initially made for personal use, but they soon gained attention, prompting them to create almost 2,000 units. The jeepsicle can accommodate 8 passengers. Eric hopes it would remind Filipinos about the traditional jeepney status as a national symbol. And that's it for today. It's 38 days before Christmas. I'm Sam Sidwani. Stay safe, stay healthy, and let's take care of each other. Newsnight is next. Keep it here on CNN Philippines.